Welcome to Workbench 5. We've streamlined the user experience to be able to make your workflows go smoothly. To get started, we're going to connect our accounts in Domo. If we have trouble with that, we may need to set the proxy. Finally, we will create our first Workbench job. To get started, let's go and create an account. We navigate to the Account section by clicking on the key icon. Then, we click the plus icon to add a new account. Finally, we enter our Domo URL and click Authorize. We can now log into Domo with our user account and password and click Sign In. From here, we can now authorize Workbench to communicate with Domo. Now we save our account. Once we finish setting up our account, we can create our first job. We do this by navigating to the Jobs area and clicking Add Job. From here, we can create our Workbench job. First, we start by typing in the name for this job. This file is located on our local computer, so we can click the local file provider as our transport type. This is stored in a CSV file, so we can select CSV for our dataset type. Our dataset name mirrors our job name. If it needs to be different, we can change that, or we can add a description here. We can create the job now. Now we are presented with the job configuration. We need to select our file. This one is located in our business relations, and click Apply. We can now preview our job. Now we have been able to successfully read the file. We can close our window and save the job. Let's click Execute to upload it to Domo. Now that our dataset has been uploaded to Domo, we will be able to find the job in our Domo instance. Let's inspect our job further. Inside of the configuration, you may also add transforms to your job. All of the standard transforms are built in, such as calculated fields, custom dates, encryption, filters, hash values, lookup tables, search and replace, and shift the time zone. You may also set a job to run as a specific user that may need network access. Additional settings contain other configuration that may be useful, like how Workbench should handle errors and disabling a job. In the Scheduling tab, you can set up a schedule for your Workbench job. Because this is a file on your local file system, you can have it automatically update when the file is changed, or you may select a schedule, such as every 15 or 30 minutes, or every hour, day, week, or month. You may also select the window in which these jobs will run. Now we can look at the schema. In here, we can change the data types, or we can rename a column. From notifications, we can set who gets notified when a job successfully runs or when it errors. I want to make sure I get notified when this job errors. History will allow you to look at this job. We can open it from the web by logging in with our Domo credentials. Inside Domo, you will be able to see the history of the dataset. We can close this. You can also view the logs for this job. At any time, the action icons at the top will show you things that you can do. You can preview a job, save the job, revert your changes, execute the job, or delete the job. These actions will help you perform the tasks you need to be successful. Adding new accounts and jobs is straightforward and easy with Workbench 5.